Justin here with Moonshot 23. This is the best shot I have found of anything on the moon yet. The structure on here should blow your mind. This shot here just kind of gives you an idea of what I'm working with. The anomalies that we're going to be looking at are on the screen right now, and I'm going to point them out. So the purple far right is a disc. The blue is a tower or something. It is so flippin' clear, it's ridiculous. The yellow is what I think is an entryway into the moon, and the green also. And the red is a tower, and the black is a city. So now we'll look a little closer. So this here on the top right hand part of the screen is the anomaly. The red arrow will point the two anomalies. The three anomalies on the top I think are all entryways. The bottom arrow there is just a shadow, and I can't see the object that is putting that shadow onto the surface. But the upper three arrows I think are entryways into the interior of the moon. This is a closer up shot. Tough to see, but you'll see it here. I'll circle it for you. That should help out a little bit. And the other one is the square right to the left of the red circle. I'm not sure what they are. Just my opinion, possible entryways. This here is amazing. I'll point the two things out, but there's the structure on the left and the disc on the right. So here we go. Blue is the disc, yellow is symmetrical, I think an airport for the disc, red is the top of the tower, the green is actually lights within the tower. I'll show you that here. I'll give you a couple close-ups. That's the tower. Unbelievable. That's again the tower on the left. I circled it here for you. Green is the tower. The yellow is the symmetry. The yellow arrow is the disc. The disc is clear as day. And the symmetry in the yellow circle is ridiculous. Here's a close-up of the tower. It's down to the southeast corner there. You can see the two lit up windows. There it is in the middle of the screen. Disc is on the right. Just a different filter, but you can see the lights good. Now here is a different anomaly. This is a city, in my opinion, on the right, and a obvious tower in the middle of the crater on the left. And I'll circle them here for you just to make sure you see what I see. Now the city part has way too much symmetry, and it's sticking up off the ground a long ways. It connects. There's so many things that scream not lunar landscape in this picture. It is ridiculous. And the tower is blatantly clear. The red arrow is just pointing to the tower on a different filter so you can get an idea. And the green arrow obviously is pointing towards what I think is a city. You can see a triangle in there, you can see an L in there, you can see elevated rectangles to the right of the green arrow. This even shows it more. That is not lunar landscape. Not even close. Just look at the top of those buildings, and they are reflecting. I possibly think that they are glass. And the yellow is just pointing out, areas of symmetry. The purple is pointing out the center building, which looks to be the tallest to me out of all of them. And the green is pointing out a rectangle, or excuse me, a triangle building. There's another picture of the tower. We'll take a couple of different looks at it here. Pretty blatant, folks. That is a flippin' tower. Bottom arrow pointing to the bottom of it, you can actually see the shadow underneath it, and what I feel is a light source at the top of it. It's clear as day. I'll turn it into a white and gray filter here so you can get a little different view of it, but pretty unbelievable. Great towers, unbelievable footage in my opinion. But as always, I thank you for watching the video. Like and subscribe, and have a good evening, folks, and we'll talk to you soon.